Hello, everybody, and welcome back to FX Street. My name is Akash, and today we're going to be taking a look at Dogecoin. Right, it's really interesting. I was extremely bullish in Doge for the last 2 weeks. Open a really, I did open a trade in the first week of June, and yeah, I made a good profits. But I am honestly saddened by the fact that this is not the coin is not rallying. Right. So before we get into what's happening and why I'm kind of sad because Dogecoin didn't rally, make sure to head on over to our YouTube channel and hit the subscribe button. If you want to stay updated with the hottest trends in crypto market, make sure to also click on this bell icon, right? You can give us a follow on Twitter at FXS Crypto. And if you enjoy the content that I put out, make sure to give me a follow as well at Mangeko with a zero at the end. Now, I created a group on July 1st for you guys because you guys were asking about, like my followers basically were asking for a Discord group, but I feel like Telegram is much easier to handle. And yeah, I basically post all my setups here, the altcoins that I'm looking for the trade and my thought process on why I'm taking this trade. Basically, it helps me reflect on the trades that I take and journal my trades as well. And hopefully you learn something along the way. So give it a follow, join the group. So let's get into Dogecoin, right? I think somewhere in the second week or the first week of July, which was roughly 4-5 weeks ago. Yep, 4 weeks ago. Where's Doge? Yep. Hold up. Let's see. This was 1 month ago. So okay, this was not done by me. But either way, guys, like to go ahead and watch the videos that I did in the second week of June, probably, where I explain this buy signal that I see here from the MRI indicator, or the momentum reversal indicator. It's basically similar to the TD sequential indicator. Now, what's really interesting about this indicator is that every time in the entirety of Dogecoin's lifespan, this signal has popped up on a 1 week time frame. It has been spot on. Not one time has the price deviated from the given signal, right? For example, this buy signal was followed by a 40% upswing for Doge. This buy signal was followed by a 125% upswing. The sell signal was followed by a 12% downswing. And then you have this buy signal here, which was followed by a 429% upswing. And then basically another sell signal where the price dropped 26%, but it dropped as low as 31%. So basically every signal that I see here basically marked a top or a bottom and caused the price to rally. Now, this is the first time in Dogecoin's history where this signal, although it is valid, right? Like momentum reversal indicators, buy signal indicates that after the signal has flashed, you can expect 1 to 4 green candles. Now we did get one green candle here where price rallied 20%, and I did manage to book nice profits here. I still feel like there is a chance for Doge to rally. So let's go on a lower time frame to see what's happening. Right. So Doge rallied on 18 June, between 18 June to 27 June, basically 8 days apart. 9 days apart, the price rallied 60% and then formed a swing high at 0.078. Since then, the price has remained stagnant. It retraced a little bit, but so far it's managing to stay above the 50 retracement level here at 0.063. Now, what's really interesting here for Doge is that there is a very small amount of FVG that was created here, right? As you can see. Now, this level is what I'm expecting to get filled. But I feel like before we get this retracement level down to the FVG here extending from 0.05 to 0.056, we could see Doge do something like this. Right, so that's what I'm expecting. I'm expecting those to stay within these bounds here, extending from 0.049 to 0.078. In the near future, because even if Dogecoin manages to break above 0.078, there is this high time frame resistance at 0.082, which could hinder any further moves. And on top of that, like even if it does manage to overcome this, the upside is finally capped by this declining weekly trend line that you see here. Right, every time price tried to move above it, it kind of failed because of this declining trend line that you see here. So all in all, I feel like Dogecoin is trapped right now between 0.078 and 0.049. My trigger for entering a long position would be once we get a fill of this FVG. Perhaps if not a fill, I think at least a retest of this level here at 0.057 would be good enough for me. So yeah, if you enjoyed this analysis for Dogecoin, make sure to like, comment, and subscribe.